They look amazing. Just take a look at those. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I am excited. Hey, what's going on? AntStill BBQ. This is Anthony here, and I just want to say thank you again for tuning in to my videos. I think I'm like, I don't know, 15 or so videos in, but thanks to your support, your views, your comments, your likes, it's fueling me to continue to keep going. And I've been getting great feedback from you all about the recipes and things like that. So keep it up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot, so I greatly appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So now that we got that out the way, what are we up to today? So we're gonna be making honey hot grilled wings. So I don't know if you all have American Deli where you're at. I know here in Atlanta, they're everywhere. And so a lot of people are into the honey hots and the random flavors, but this is a good one that I discovered on the grill. So today I'm gonna show you all how to make those grilled honey hot wings. So yeah, let's get to it. So we're back at it with that 2-zone fire. So that's what we're going with today. You can see I got my charcoal and my wood on one side and then nothing on this side. So 2-zone fire, if you haven't seen my video on it, go ahead and check that out. I'll link it maybe like over there somewhere. So yeah, check that one out. But 2-zone fire for our cook today for our grilled wings. Now that we got that out of the way, let's head inside and go ahead and get those wings prepared. Alright, so we have our chicken wings on the grill. So I set a timer for 20 minutes. That's when I'm going to actually come back and check on them to see how they're looking, how they're doing. I placed them on the indirect side. Right now I just want that smoke to get in there and just for them to cook really well. I'm going to char them up at the end, but 20 minutes should be more than enough time for them to pretty much cook thoroughly. And then the last 15 or so, I'm thinking it's going to be about 35 minutes. The last 15 to 20 minutes will be just charring them and going from there. But while that's cooking on the grill, we're gonna run inside and begin to make our honey hot sauce. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now we're actually about to make our honey hot sauce. It's totally up to you how you wanna measure yours out. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the description what my recipe is, you know, how many cups I use of the buffalo sauce versus the honey, but it's really as simple as getting a pot, getting your buffalo sauce, and then getting your honey, and that's it. You're gonna allow that to simmer for, you know, basically until you feel like it has a nice sweetness to spicy ratio. So again, that's totally up to you. I put what I use, but let me know what you like to do. So in the comments, whatever your breakdown is, I'd love to know. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get that sauce started. So we're at the 35-minute mark. You can see they're looking amazing. We're gonna run our temp, but I could almost tell you for sure these are done. So once I run the temp just to make sure, we're gonna take these inside and dip them in our sauce and throw them back on the grill, let that caramelize, and then we're good to go. All right, so now is our moment of truth. Wings came off the grill. As you can see, we got them looking really good. We coated them with a nice sauce. Let that caramelize for a good minute. So let's do our taste test. So the good thing about these wings, they're very sticky. Let's start there. So they're very sticky. That grill taste is a really amazing undertone. You always taste it, but what shines through is the sauce. So it's spicy, but then it has a nice little sweetness to it that gives you that good yin and yang. So you should really try this one at the house. Real easy to make. Like I said, this is my second time making these, better than any American deli I've ever had. Give these a shot. Tell me what you think. Man, before you know it, nibbling on these, you'll look up and you would have killed like 12 of these. So, go-to recipe right here. Tell me what you think. As always, thanks for watching. This is AntStill. I'll catch you later.